Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones Skullcandy Rail on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Skullcandy. Search. Now slide down and install Skull IQ. Now open it, continue, slide it, okay, hello, continue, hello, and we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!